That is a lot of light. Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is bright, right, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is your first time watching. I'm Sheree. Welcome, and if you are returning, I appreciate you and thank you so much for coming back. Today I will be doing an unboxing. This will be an unboxing from Louis Vuitton. This is a piece that I have seen over and over and over and over again. I can't stress over again enough, and I'm like, okay, that's it. I'm taking the bullet, biting it, and I'm going to pick it up. I have a need for this because I always try and make really wise decisions when shopping because I've already made my share of regret purchases. I even have a video on it. If you want to take a look at that, I will pop a link in right here. Make sure you do so. I give some tips and some different ways on, you know, just making sure you really want what you want before you actually go out and, you know, actually get it. So I waited long and hard. I watched a lot of reviews. I did a lot of different things, and I'm not going to keep you waiting. This is it. I had a need for this. At least I tell myself I did. I think we all do. Yeah, I need that. Did I actually really need it? No, but I really did want it, and I do see a place necessary for this in my collection. Let's pull it out. Here is the receipt holder. Here is the proof of purchase. Here is the place of purchase. And without further ado, let's jump right into this. Let me ask you a question really quickly. Take 2 seconds. You have no idea how much your comments mean to me. Take 2 seconds, write a comment, leave in the comment really quickly what you think is in this little box. What do you think I went with? And I'd like to know something else. In the monogram canvas or the demier band or the azure, you guys, I don't know. Okay, I'm not gonna even try and pronounce all the names because I don't. I'll butcher them up. But leave me, what is your favorite print? Is it the demier band? Is it the monogram canvas? Or is it the what is it, the azure, the demier azure? I don't know. You know, the other one, the white one. I'll pop a clip up. Which is your favorite print at Louis Vuitton? Okay, so going into this, here's the cute packaging it comes in, and I'm gonna try and keep this done. So here it is right here. Let's go ahead, and it has a drawer, so we're pulling this out, opening it up. Looks like this comes completely off. I love these. I make a lot of good use with those, you guys. I put my makeup in some of them. Sometimes I use it as a good storage, so these boxes come really in handy. I really like those. This comes here. It has a desk bag that looks like that. It opens up. Any last thoughts? Da, 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 da. This is it. Oh my gosh, yes, I finally did it. I finally went with it. This is a pochette. No, I'm getting here we go. It's always these names. Here is the mini pochette. I was getting ready to call this the pochette motifs, okay? But here is the mini pochette. You guys, I really, really, really like it. I wanted to use this as a little wristlet. As the smallest purse ever, I'm gonna use this as a little wristlet. I'm also gonna use this to put in my bags. You know, if you watch a video back, I was telling you that I generally put, when I have a order from Chanel, I'll use that little, let me just show you, hold on. Got my handbag with me because I'm getting ready to head out. So this is the bag that I'm carrying today, my Chloe. I absolutely love this bag. It's stuffed to the brim, but look. So say for instance, right? I was trying my best not to make this video long, but you already know. So I was saying, here is what I'm carrying right now, right? So you see this, and it's cute, it's fine. You know, I've been making use of this because I wanted to get, you know, some use out of it. So all the stuff that I have in here, I now want to put in here. And instead of carrying this with me in some of my LV bags or some of my other bags, I'll be carrying this. And this is something that I can just pick up and go. This is something that if I'm just gonna run to Starbucks, if I'm gonna run to the gym, if I'm gonna run out for some quick errands, get my hair done, nails done, this is really cute. It's compact, it's easy to just store a few things in and move on. I haven't used it. I will definitely come back and do a, you know, review on it and how I'm using it. For right now, at the time, what I really got it for was just to do a quick and go and to just store things in like this. So in this little thing, I just have the typical basics. Oh, tons of stuff in here. Got my Chanel lipstick in here. I've got a lip gloss in here. I've got some perfume in here. Another Charlotte Tilbury lip gloss in here. Another perfume in here. My eyelash glue in here, and some lotion in here. So these are all the things, ooh, that I have in here. And so what I would do and using that, I guess I should have told you a little bit more about this. We'll go back into this, but I just want to show you what I'm using it for. Just to put all this different stuff in. I can even, if I wanted to, because you know I'm definitely carrying my trusty dusty, I'm carrying my key clay, and I have a key clay that matches this. I just need to switch it out. Still haven't done so. So if I wanted to, I can go ahead and stick that in there as well. Make it all look nice and good and fine, and zip it up. And look, a little mini purse. I've got all my lipstick, my eyelash glue, my lotion, my perfume, everything in here, and I've got a little tiny purse. It's super cute. So back to this now that I told you what I was going to use it for. So that was my reasoning for getting it. I really wanted something to utilize like that and to put in my bags. This is now the reason I went with this particular pattern is because I love the pop of red that it has in there. I don't like the brown. I don't know. I'm a pop of color. I like sunshine. I like fun. So I wanted to go with something that had a little bit of pop of color. The pink is really cute too. I don't know if it comes in this pattern, but the rose ballerine pink, I don't know even if it's called rose ballerine pink, but whatever that pink is, it's really pretty. But I really like the pop of red. So let's see what else it says in here. What is this? This is a price in case you're interested. This price for something like this, US dollars, it runs for $310. And then it has here the style number, everything like that. And then here it just comes with, kind of just shows you the Louis Vuitton materials that it comes with. And that's it, you guys. It has something over here on the sides. Let's see, what is it saying? Oh, some numbers. I guess it might be the serial numbers. I have no idea what it is. That's all it says in here. I know it's supposed to say in here where it's made. So it says Louis Vuitton, Paris, made in Paris, France. So this one is that. It's super cute. It says, you know, it has two stamps on here, this one here, and then it has this one here. I'll put the sizes and the dimensions and everything like that in the description box. So if you're interested in that, make sure you check out the description box for all the full details on this particular bag, size, dimensions, everything like that. But I just wanted to share with you. I went with this too because if I happen to be out in the rain, I don't have to worry about this getting wet, although I could just carry it like this and I'm sure I'll be fine. The gold looks good on it. You know, I love Louis Vuitton zippers. They're so super buttery and easy to open. I'm gonna call this, you know how there's a wallet on the chain? This is gonna be like my wristlet on the chain. I love these D-rings right here because you can clasp these onto anything inside your other bags. I have a Neverfull in this same print, and when traveling, I think this will be really good to store some makeup and stuff like that in, and then I'll be able to just connect this in the bag as well. Let's see, what else is there to tell you about it? It's just a super cute purchase. I really liked it. I wanted to have this in my collection because I do have a need for it now. So once I seen that it made sense and it was functional in my lifestyle, and I had to see how I was gonna wear it, how I was gonna use it, then I said, okay, go ahead and get it. I didn't want to just get it to be getting it. You guys, buying luxury items to me is so super special, and it's such a, for me, it's such a blessing. So I really think long and hard about the purchases that are by. Nobody has like a money tree outside, so we work really hard. So I want to make sure that when I'm buying smart and I'm buying wise. And like I told you in a couple videos back, I don't buy to sell, I buy to enjoy and to use. So whenever I'm buying something now, I really make, you know, I mean, I really take the time to think long and hard. How am I going to use this? Is this functional in my life? How will I use this in my life? And will I be able to get a lot of use out of it in my life? Does it go with my lifestyle? Just a few questions that I ask myself before purchasing certain items. And when I can answer all those questions and I can, you know, feel comfortable in the decisions that I'm making, and not that I'm just rushing making a decision, nor am I just copying a trend to say that I haven't made a decision, then I go ahead and get it. I just wanted to share that because I know I talk to so many people that are saying that they try to sell their items because, you know, they bought it, they thought they liked it, they really didn't like it, and now they're stuck with it. I don't know if you watched my video on Fashion File. That's a great place to sell luxury items back to, especially if they're in good condition. So check that out. I'll pop a link here. You guys, thanks so much for watching. Just a really quick video. Yes, I went with this. All sizes, dimensions, everything like that will be in the description box below. Go ahead and take 2 seconds. I told you I absolutely love reading your comments. It's the best thing other than making the video is reading your comments. So leave a comment below. Let me know if you have this, how you're using it, where you use it at in your life. Where do you get the most usage from this at? Also leave in the comment section what is your favorite Louis Vuitton print, the monogram canvas, which is more of this one, and then, or is it the demi-urbaine, or is it the other one that I'm gonna pop a clip in because I have no idea you the name of it because I don't like that print at all. I would probably get nothing in that print because I don't care for it. That's just my personal opinion. It's been real. Thanks, you guys. Have an amazing rest of your day. I will see you in the next video, and until then, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fabulous. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.